Ever wondered why your nose suddenly launches you into orbit? Our Lego minifigs are about to find out. Scene 1. A Lego minifig walks past a giant Lego nose and, achoo, gets blasted across the room. Sneezing happens when tiny irritants like dust or pepper tickles the inside of your nose. Your body freaks out and launches a super fast burst of air to blast those invaders away, sometimes at speeds over 100 miles per hour. Scene 2. More minifigs try plugging the nose, but the sneeze launches them anyway. That's your body's way of saying, no invaders allowed.